happening is I do think a lot of solopreneurs try to be active in social media, but it doesn't write the bill or pay the bills. You know what I mean? So how do you go from just enjoying yourself on social media to actually making an impact for your livelihood?
Well, I think we need to think about the strategy of anything. Everything we do, or at least what I've learned to do in my business, has to have a strategy. Moving the needle, what does that mean? What is your needle and where is it moving? What is your goal? What are your goals for that? There are people that sell products, and social media, they could, say influencers could definitely click and connect, and they sell products and they make money. There are all different ways that people want to build their business or move the needle. I don't sell a product, I sell a service. But for me, my strategy is that the exposure of it. If I'm out there talking and people engage with me and they see what I'm doing, I get calls to say, be on my podcast. I get calls saying, can you speak at my conference? I get calls, can you coach our team? I really like what you said. How does it work? So I'm actually showing what I do. And because it's something that I love to do, and there's interesting ways that I see this business, it takes me away from trying. So I guess I should say my strategy is to connect. I schedule a certain amount of time during the week to just go on LinkedIn. And I look for interesting posts. I scroll the feed. And I stop on something that really stops my attention, and I make a genuinely conversational comment. I mean, occasionally it's, hey, great, but I try to avoid that, and I try to really engage because it's interesting to me. I'm being honest about it. And truthfully, that's been successful for me. I know Sales Navigator works for a lot of people. Again, it kind of has to be your strategy and how it works, but you could probably massage some of the dialogue that's used and make it more conversation. An old boss of mine said, usually you have to date somebody before you ask them to marry you. So in business, it's the same thing. And we talked about relationships. How can we relate and connect? Can I trust you to help me speak better? Can I trust you to learn marketing or take over my marketing channel? We have to build that relationship. And then once the trust is there and the honesty, and we feel we know the character of who we're talking to, and that could be a week, a year, a month, who knows, then all of a sudden we could say, hey, Joe, I need that thing you've got. And to me, that's honest selling or exchange of businesses. So moving the needle might take a little bit of time, but if you really want to build clients that are going to trust you, like you, and come back, the relationship, I think, is the key.